reliable, fast, precise. Warmade loitering munition, a kamikaze drone providing precisely targeted strike and observation capabilities, creating a high-impact solution to gain tactical advantage on a multi-domain battlefield. This cost-effective multi-role combat and surveillance system is capable of destroying targets without human intervention. Warmade loitering munition is an ideal solution for special forces and light infantry units. This user-friendly system can be used as a self-contained man-portable system or installed onto vehicles with an integrated central control system. The unmanned platform can be deployed for operation in under 10 minutes by a single user. The operator can easily set and modify flight plans using user-friendly software. The system can destroy lightly armored vehicles, infantry units, and the enemy's fortified points of defense. The system ensures full automation of the majority of flight phases. Real-time data, speed, and altitude can be viewed and modified on the screen. Depending on the type of warhead, Warmade performs combat or reconnaissance missions. The onboard daylight or infrared cameras provide the highest quality image in all weather conditions. Warmade is equipped with control modules ensuring autonomous operation and support during targeting. Outstanding mission agility, power and precision make Warmade a destructive and effective tool on the contemporary battlefield. We passionately create technologies of tomorrow because our reality is your future.